In the world of hypercars, there are fast cars, there are supercars, and then there's the Holy Trinity. Today, we're lining up three automotive legends: the McLaren P1, the Porsche 918 Spyder, and the mighty Ferrari LaFerrari. Three hybrid hypercars, nearly 3,000 combined horsepower, millions of dollars on the line, and only one winner. Let's find out what happens over the standing quarter mile. Check out the McLaren P1. It's got a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 and an electric motor, cranking out 916 horsepower, weighs about 1,500 kilograms, and now costs over $1 million. Check out the Porsche 918 Spyder. It packs a 4.6-liter V8 and two electric motors, pumping out 887 horsepower and 1,280 newton-meters of torque. All-wheel drive makes it a beast. The Ferrari LaFerrari is a beast. With a 6.3-liter V12 and hybrid boost, it cranks out 963 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. It's the loudest, most powerful, and definitely the priciest ride at over $3 million. On paper, Ferrari should dominate, but drag racing isn't just about power, it's about traction. Three cars, launch control activated, heart rates rising.
Come on! Come on, Ferrari! Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! Now that Porsche's gone again. Smashing him! It's closer this time.
The Porsche launches perfectly. No drama, no wheel spin, just pure grip. The McLaren hooks up nicely, but struggles to match the AWD traction and the Ferrari. Too much power, rear wheels fighting for grip. At the line, Porsche 918 to 10.2 seconds, McLaren P1 to 10.5 seconds, Ferrari LaFerrari 11.1 seconds. The Porsche wins. All-wheel drive strikes first. Things are about to get fun. Starting off in second gear at 50 kilometers per hour takes away some of that launch drama and gives a solid mid-range punch.
3, 2, 1.
Race over the quarter mile, then the half mile. Come on, I'm pulling that Porsche in, can I beat him? Come on, McLaren, come on! Hang in there, hang in there! Whoa!
The Porsche jumps again, instant electric torque. Ferrari tries to claw back round, the V12 screams. McLaren builds boost. Turbo lags slightly, holding it back, but traction still plays a role. Result, Porsche edges it again.
In race from 100 kilometers an hour in third gear. Try and take out the wheel spin. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, get that Porsche! Come on! Been to the quarter mile, not quite. I'm going to have him to the blooming half now. Here we are. Come on! Whoa! Interesting.
Ferrari explodes forward. No more wheel spin issues. The V12 and hybrid system deliver relentless acceleration. The McLaren surges hard. Twin turbos finally in full boost. The Porsche strong, but now slightly outpaced. At the half mile, it's incredibly close. Replay confirms. The McLaren P1 beats the Porsche by a nose. Ferrari strong at higher speeds. Now we're talking.
We're going to do a brake test from 160 kilometers an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop, whichever car stops in the shortest distance. If you'd rather watch another drag race with some epic cars, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen, or scan the QR code on screen. Right, let's do this.
Porsche feels super balanced and stable, while Ferrari stops like a champ. McLaren's just a tad behind. So, the final order. 1. Porsche. 2. Ferrari. 3. McLaren. So, which one is the ultimate Holy Trinity king? Quarter mile, Porsche 918. High-speed power, Ferrari fights back. Pure drama and emotion. Ferrari wins hearts. Precision engineering and consistency. Porsche dominates. Raw turbo aggression. McLaren delivers thrills. But overall, winner today, the Porsche 918 Spyder, the silent assassin, the traction monster, the most complete weapon of the Holy Trinity. If you had to choose just one, which would it be? P1, 918, or LaFerrari? Let me know in the comments. And if you love insane hypercar drag races like this, make sure you subscribe, because this is just the beginning.